What's going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a double jump to your Roblox game in just a couple of minutes. The best part, it's super easy to add to any game. In this video, you'll learn how to detect when a player jumps, and then apply a second jump in midair, and reset everything when they land. So let's get into it. So first, you want to insert a local script into starter character scripts. So local script here, get rid of the print hello world. First, we want to define the user input service to get the key press of the spacebar. Game.getService user input service. Then we want to get the player service, which is local players equals game:getService, then players. Then we want to get the local player, which is players.localPlayer. Then you want to get the character of the player, which is player.character, or you want to wait. So player.character added wait. Then you want to get the humanoid out of the character, which is character wait for child humanoid. And then you want to get the humanoid root part, which we'll define as root part. Then character wait for child humanoid root part. Then you can set whatever jump height you want. I'm going to put mine to 100. You're going to create another variable called can double jump to stop them from keep on double jumping forever. Then also a local variable has double jumped to know if they have just double jumped. So then you want to do humanoid state changed connect and the function underscore comma new state, then if new state, if new equals enum dot humanoid state type dot landed. Then basically if they land, we want to make them be able to double jump again. So we set both of these to false equal there. Next, we want to connect with the user input service. So user input service.input began connect function input comma game processed, and if game processed, then return end. So if we've already processed the double jump, we don't need to do it again. If input dot key code equals enum dot keycode dot space, then we want to check the humanoid state. So we get the state, and then if that equals enum dot humanoid state type dot freefall, and we can double jump, and we have not double jumped already, then we want to set has double jump to true, and then we want to set the root part's velocity to equal vector3 dot new. We want to get the root part dot velocity dot x jump height, then root part dot velocity dot z. So basically it'll just increase the y by the jump height that you set up earlier. Make an else if humanoid get state happens to not equal enum dot humanoid state type dot, then can double jump equals true. And now if we happen to run this, now as you can see, when I jumped, I can click space again and I'll double jump. And then just like that, you've added a working double jump into your game. Now your players can jump once and then launch themselves midair for another jump. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments what else you want me to add. If you haven't already, subscribe for more Roblox scripting tutorials. If you want, you can go look at other videos that'll help you level up your Roblox scripting skills. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.